guys, welcome back to another video where today I'm going to be playing Geometry Dash and look at how cool it is. I wish I could put Christmas music on in the background for you guys. Ugh, what's happening? Right, 1 second guys. I also have it on my tablet, but I want to play a different game on this one, and that's going to be Subway Surf. Turn my tablet this way. Turn my tablet. I think you guys can see it like so. Can you? I don't know because I can't see this one. Right, my bison. Okay. Okay, ready? Going. See how far I can get. I'll tell you guys an update.
What?
Okay, I've got a rocket, and now I picked up a magnet, and that helps get the coins. You guys may know what Subway Surf is, you may not, and you will find out. Yes, I got a letter for this challenge. Merry! It's a merry challenge. The challenge on merry. I have to pick up the letter E and 2 double R's, then 2 R's. Oh, and then Jake as well. A, K, and E, and I forgot to say Y. So that Mary. And I just died, but I don't have any keys to save myself. So, come on, hurry up. I hate being slow. It's when the policeman's behind me that I want to go. Yes, there we go. Let's get faster. Yes, I see another letter. E.
Why
Could
are
be
you
either.
playing?
Subway Surf.
Okay,
On my tablet. Right.
Okay,
Switch and under. Oh, across. Under. Across. One. Mind out the train.
I'm waiting for you to die.
That's nice of you, isn't it?
Oh man, I think I deleted it.
Yeah. Yes, the R. I found the R. Well, one of the R's. Oh, gosh. Oopsie, I just died again. Right, well, if I can get better, I will try.
I don't have it.
Ready, and speed up.
Bad news, I accidentally deleted it.
Oh, okay. You deleted what, sorry?
But this will wrap up this video and goodbye.
Just get it again once
I
you've
got that in a minute. I did it in a minute.
Yeah. And I'm still filming for you guys.
No.
Oh gosh, yes. I can pause it. I've been filming for you guys for probably boring time, and I'm sorry for like 4 minutes, 25 seconds nearly. I love jumping on trains, they're so fun. The moving ones, by the way, guys. This one I won't get here from. Oh no, this is the hard bit when you don't know where they're going. Oh. Oh, yes, yes. No! It can't save me. I can't save myself. That's lovely. I go again. I'm trying to get to the... I had the Y, but I just got hit 1 second before I got there. So I died, which is really not nice. Whoa, that's a tight squeeze. Oh yes, I've got the Y. I finished 1 word, so that means you get the prize thing. Yep, I get either a chest or some money, something, I think. Oh. I don't really want that to work. Oh no, I have to move. How did you get past that bit? That's just so confusing. Okay guys, I think it'll be boring. I'm just gonna play this and let you guys just see something else probably another time. Oh, and I was supposed to apologise a long time ago. That I haven't been filming for a while. Like, I have been trying and everything. It just didn't quite go. And I just suddenly thought, but now I have to say goodbye, otherwise you'll probably get bored out of your minds and I don't want to be wasting your days time. And so, thank you for watching and have a good Christmas if you watch this before Christmas. But if you watch this video after Christmas, yes. Anyway, because it is the 23rd today. And I'm super excited because it's like going to be tomorrow. We have some fun things planned. So, it's full of fun. And you guys have an excellent rest of the day. And I will see you another time. Bye, guys. Seriously. Sorry about this.